Welcome to Lake Washington Institute of Technology's 2021 Virtual Open House. I'm so glad you're here to see all that's going on at Lake Washington Tech. After having to cancel last year's open house due to the pandemic, we're thrilled to be back hosting our open house again online. Over the past year, there have been so many changes for all of us, but one thing that hasn't changed is our dedication to the success of our students and our mission to prepare students for today's careers and tomorrow's opportunities. People are ready to get back to work in restaurants, medical care facilities, manufacturing shops, engineering firms, and high-tech software companies. And we're ready to help. COVID-19 has been devastating to families and businesses across our state, almost immediately impacting our state's economy. As one of the state's 5 technical colleges and the only public institute of technology with 10 applied bachelor's degrees, 44 associate's degrees, and 93 professional certificates in 43 areas of study, including STEM-focused programs, science, technology, engineering, and math, we are ready to help you get back into the workforce, train for a new career, or add new skills. And while the open house may look a little different this year, we're excited to share with you what's new at the college, in our schools, student support services, scholarships, and new applied bachelor's programs. So instead of inviting you to campus this year, we're bringing the campus to you. I invite you to click around this page where you'll see new live and recorded content that will be launching daily, May 25th through May 27th. With 24/7 access to the virtual open house, you'll be able to see what's new at Lake Washington Tech on your schedule when it works best for you, and see why we are the right choice for right now. Again, welcome to this year's virtual open house. I look forward to when I'll be able to see you and personally welcome you to campus.